video. Based off the title of this video, you're probably thinking, what is this guy talking about? The Ultra Boost is one of the greatest shoes out there in the market. And that's true. I love the Ultra Boost. It's a really nice shoe. I've always liked the way it looks. But I've noticed that a lot of people, not necessarily YouTubers, but generally a lot of people want to get the Ultra Boost mainly because its style approach and really focuses on the pros of the Ultra Boosts rather than the cons. Now personally, in this video, I want to show you the cons of the Ultra Boost, which may make you seem like you don't necessarily want to buy a shoe since there's a lot of shoes out there. I also want to add that there's going to be a new video coming up next week on a very limited edition shoe. Now this shoe is so limited that a lot of people took L's, and I don't even know how I took a dub on it. The only hint I'm going to give you is it's the opposite of on and the opposite of black. That's all I'm gonna give you, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the gang squad, swag money, you already know boys, and comment down below what is your favorite Adidas shoe out there to start a little bit of a convo, cause I like to, we're a squad, bro, fam, yeah.
Stop it.
Alright, so let's get started. First thing we're gonna start with is quality. Now, if you're going to be dropping $180 on this shoe, you're probably expecting to have the best quality possible. You want the boost to look nice, you want the prime knit to be intact, you want every single thing of this shoe to be in great quality. But I feel like the big three stripes have been lacking on this area. Now, at some points of the shoe, you can see between the boost and the rubber part of the sole some glue seepage. Now, it's not prevalent throughout the whole thing, but for the most part, it is something, not the best thing to see. This isn't the only Ultra Boost that has this. I've seen multiple other Ultra Boosts, like the throwback video I had with the Nemesis Ultra Boost Tango Triple Black. You can kind of see the glue seepage more clearly throughout the whole thing. And it just kind of looks like someone did it really sloppily, put some hot glue gun, and then put the two shoes together. Even though it's something really small you can't see from a distance when it's on your shoes, it's still something to, consider because this is a $180 shoe. So you would want the best quality possible. Now, another thing that kind of makes you go like,
hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right,
is this. In the back of the shoe, you can see at the very end, there are two parts of the rubber that sticks out. Yes, the beautiful Continental rubber that Adidas had a partnership with this tire company. Now, I don't know about you guys, but that kind of looks like it was made sloppily. Like the cookie cutter machine wasn't, functioning. There was like a flaw in the machine and they just whatever. So that's something definitely to consider about. Again, kind of minor, but again, $180. Now moving on to number 2, practicality. Now the intended purpose of this shoe is to be a running shoe, but it kind of merged into the lifestyle and fashion part, so it could kind of be used for both. Now if you wanted to use these babies for running, you can, but here's the thing to consider. Number 1, the Continental rubber. Yes, the beautiful Continental rubber will be degraded over time. Now, of course, every shoe wears down their soles over time after running a lot, but I specifically hate it on the Ultra Boost because it just looks so ugly underneath and then it starts ripping out the boosts. Another thing is, the shoe is not breathable whatsoever. This time, I don't know what they did, but they did not put any breathability inside the shoe, so your feet are most likely gonna sweat while running with these. I mean, come on, who likes sweaty feet? And one of the biggest things, it's not necessarily an Ultra Boost problem, but they kind of need to solve this, is when the boosts get dirty. Now, you can clean every part of the shoe with Crep Protector, whatever you want to use it with, except the boost. Once you get those babies dirty, it's not coming off and it looks horrible. Also, I've heard from many other people and friends who have Ultra Boost saying that it's not a reasonable shoe to wear in the rain because when you get the joints wet, they're gonna shrink, they're gonna be dirty, and it's basically gonna suck. And here's a side note that some people do not tell you: these do actually run small, so you gotta buy a size up. So let's say you're size 9, you should get a size 10, because you can see what I'm wearing right now, my big toe is popping out, and these are originally my shoe size. So basically these are most of the cons about this shoe, which no one really talks about that much. And the reason why I made this video is because Adidas is gonna have competition with the Nike Epic React. Link in the description if you wanna see that video. Because with its $150 price tag and its durability and its quality, the Nike Epic Reacts is kind of chasing up the Ultraboost, trying to get back that throne that they lost from last year in the sneaker war and running shoe war, I guess. Because when you have no competition, you can't just slack off and not bring out your best product. Because they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That is all I have for today. Be sure to like the video if it helped you out. And stay tuned soon for a very special video. It's been your boy, Mighty Madrista. And until next time, guys. Peace.